I recently watched this film called Middle Class Melodies on Amazon Prime Video. It's a Telugu film about a guy who dreams of opening a hotel in Guntur. And I'm not a film reviewer, but I think this is a film that everyone is going to enjoy. It's charming and it's very relatable. And a lot of the movie is centered around food. The dish at the center of it all is something called Bombay chutney. And watching the movie made me crave for the dish. So I thought I'd whip it up in my kitchen and also show you how you can prepare this in just a few minutes. In the movie, Raghav uses a special ingredient to add an X factor to his dish. I won't spoil that for you, and I'll stick to a more traditional rendition of this dish. So what you need is some besan, one large onion, one large tomato, some chilies. I use a mix of green chilies and red chilies. And then for tempering, you also want some dal. I have chana dal and urad dal in the ratio of 2:1. Then mustard seeds, curry leaves, and for the garnish I have some coriander leaves here, and I also use a little bit of ginger and lemon. Step 1 is to simply whisk the basin with the water to create a lump-free solution. After that, turn on the stove and heat some oil. The tadka is the first to go in. Mustard seeds, the urad and chana dal, followed by red chilies and slit green chilies. You may need to reduce the heat to ensure nothing gets burned. Finally, add the curry leaves. Soon after, add the onions. You may need to saute this for a while. What we're trying to do is to get the onions translucent. As you see that kind of start to happen, you can add in the ginger. Once the onion is ready, you can go in and add the tomatoes. And this is the point where we can finally add salt. You can also add a pinch of turmeric if you want your chutney to have that characteristic vibrant color. Once the tomatoes have really softened up and almost disintegrated, you can then finally add that besan solution. At this point, we're pretty much done. All you need to do is add some extra water if required, cover the lid and let it simmer in low heat for about 10 minutes. Check for consistency. Keep in mind that the besan will thicken significantly once the temperature drops. To finish off, squeeze half a lemon and add half the coriander with you and turn off the heat. Add the remaining coriander just before serving. This is kind of what you want, so we are done over here. So I've allowed it to cool down a little bit, and as expected, the chutney has thickened up significantly. And if you're familiar with Maharashtrian cuisine, then this would seem very similar to pitla. I'm guessing this is inspired from that, and that's probably why it's called Bombay chutney. Every family has a variation on this, their own special take. So if you have any special variation, don't forget to chime in and let me know. One variation that I've commonly seen in tiffin centers across Hyderabad is incorporating boiled potatoes into this. Irrespective, it works fantastically well with all sorts of South Indian tiffins, whether it's idli or puri or dosa. And I'm getting ready to dig in. Don't forget to check out Middle Class Melodies. It's sure to bring a smile to your face, just like this bowl of food.